Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the beauty world so you can make informed decisions about the products you use. Today, we're looking at something that promises to give your nails a bit of extra love: OPI Nail Envy Nail Strengthening Treatment. This gel formula has made quite a name for itself in the world of nail care, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. OPI is a brand synonymous with high-quality nail products, and Nail Envy is no exception. It's marketed as a strengthening treatment designed to fortify and repair nails, especially for those who suffer from weak, brittle nails. Inside the 15-milliliter bottle is a gel formula, which gives it a slightly thicker consistency compared to typical nail lacquers, designed to bond with the nail surface to provide stronger, healthier-looking nails. The formula is intended to prevent breaking and peeling while boosting overall nail health with regular use. When it comes to real-world testing, incorporating OPI Nail Envy into my routine was a seamless process. As someone who's always been mindful of nail health, I found the application easy and smooth. The gel consistency goes on like a charm, and while it does feel slightly thicker than standard polishes, it dries quickly, leaving no tacky residue. I applied it daily for a week, following the directions of applying one coat each day and then removing it at the end of the week to start fresh. In terms of performance, I did notice my nails felt noticeably stronger after just a few days of use. While my nails didn't feel miraculously transformed overnight, by the end of the week, they were visibly less prone to chipping. The formula does exactly what it promises: strengthen nails without the fuss. However, I didn't notice any drastic improvements in terms of the health of my nails' appearance, such as increased shine or improved growth, but I was definitely pleased with the strengthened feel. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is easy to use and effective for providing additional strength. It's a simple and no-fuss treatment that fits easily into a daily routine. I also appreciate that it's a transparent gel, which means I could use it under regular nail polish for added protection without it interfering with my manicure. On the flip side, one downside for some people might be the price point. OPI is a trusted brand, but their products can often come at a premium. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly option, you might want to look at alternatives that offer similar results without the higher price tag. When it comes to value for money, OPI Nail Envy definitely delivers on the strength front, and the small bottle actually goes quite a long way. While the price might seem steep at first glance, if you're someone who's struggled with weak nails for a while, this could be worth the investment. That being said, if you just need something to help with occasional nail care, there are certainly more affordable alternatives. I did a quick comparison with other nail strengthening products, and it's clear that OPI's formula stands out in terms of consistency and ease of application. Some cheaper options didn't seem to provide the same lasting effects, and others required multiple layers, which in my opinion, defeats the purpose of a treatment that should be quick and effective. OPI has that nice balance of strength and simplicity, which might be why it's so popular. The build quality is standard for OPI products. Nothing flashy, just a solid bottle with a brush that gets the job done. It's a compact design, easy to store, and I didn't experience any issues with the packaging. If you're wondering about its longevity, the product's performance holds steady over time with consistent use, and I didn't find it losing its effectiveness after multiple applications. Customer support? I haven't had to interact with OPI's customer service for this product, but I can tell you from past experiences that OPI is generally well regarded for its responsive and helpful service. They've built a solid reputation, and I expect the same level of quality if you ever had an issue. If you're looking for an alternative, there are a few other reputable brands that offer strengthening treatments at a lower price, such as Sally Hansen's Miracle Cure, which is a fan favorite in the nail care world. It's a more affordable option, and while it doesn't have the OPI branding, it delivers similar results. To sum up, OPI Nail Envy Nail Strengthening Treatment does exactly what it says. It strengthens your nails, prevents breaking, and makes for a great addition to your nail care routine. If you've got nails that tend to be weak and brittle, this might be a great option for you. However, If you're on a tight budget, you might want to look into alternatives that offer similar results for a fraction of the price. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.